The exceptional COVID-19 pandemic affects various areas of society, such as the transport system. It is a best way to get out of doors, exercise at the same time as socially distancing. The governments of many countries around the world have encouraged people to ride their bikes wherever possible, instead of using crowded public transport, and invested in huge-scale cycling infrastructure to assist them accomplish that. In the epidemic situation, the role of e-bikes is highly reliable and considerably the safest transport system. Also, it could be the best alternative for public transport in the post-pandemic situation. It is very difficult to ride a few miles on a normal bike because it requires a long time to pedal. In this case, e-bikes allow the user to carry more luggage than conventional cycles and often make shopping or travel easier. In this COVID-19 pandemic situation, many e-bike owners have been seen cycling more frequently and for longer distances than conventional cyclists. There are many types of electric bikes on the market, but one of the most popular bikes is the folding version. These are the most portable and compact because they fold down to impressively small sizes. But just like a traditional bike, there are multiple features and designs to consider. E-bikes are a little more expensive than regular bikes. They range from about $1,000 to $15,000 each, depending on battery life, style and other factors. In this video, we tried to review the top 5 best budget electric lightweight folding bikes under $1,000. This guide will help you to select the perfect bike with the right features for your riding needs. We made this list based on our personal opinion and we ranked them after our hard-working research based on their price, customer opinion, safety, durability, reputation, and our standard reviewing process. Let's check them all. Swagtron Swagcycle EB5 lightweight and aluminum folding e-bike with pedals. Up to 15 miles per hour on battery power alone. But the EB5 Plus also rides like a traditional pedal-only bicycle. The EB5 Plus battery run up to 15.5 miles on a single charge and conquers steep hills and 30-degree inclines with ease. The height-adjustable seat and handlebar gives you complete control over the comfort level of your adventure. High-performance 14-inch air-filled tires deliver smooth, stable rides even on uneven pavement. Jetson Bolt folding electric bicycle with LCD display. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery, max range 15 miles on a single battery charge. The aluminum alloy frame is lightweight and sturdy, supporting up to 250 pounds. Easily take it up and down stairs, slide it under your desk, or tuck it away at home with the collapsible handlebar. Powerful 250-watt quiet motor. McWheel 16 inches folding electric commuter bicycle with 7.5 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery. The McWheel 16-inch electric bike offers great style with a lightweight steel frame and a streamlined throttle design and handlebars. 250 watts powerful motor, with a max speed of 15.5 miles per hour, you can go faster and further in electric mode without breaking a sweat. Equipped with 36-volt 7.5 ampere-hours lithium-ion battery, you can travel up to 18.6 miles in electric mode, and a range of 37 miles in pedal-assisted mode. This quick easy foldable bike has an onboard computer LCD display that stands for highest efficiency and precision. Anchor folding electric commuting bike or mountain bike. This bike adopts ultra-lightweight yet strong aluminum, 26-inch magnesium alloy integrated wheels with anti-slip resistant thick tire suit for trails, gravel, city streets, back roads. Roads very smoothly and lightweight. The weight is 2/3 of the normal wheels. Stable 250 watts motor with 21-speed transmission is suitable for daily commuting needs. Hiboy P10 folding electric bike for adults. The 350 watts electric brushless hub motor allows for speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour. Max travel range of up to 15.5 to 21.6 miles under specific conditions. 12 inches large rubber air tires make riding more shock-absorbing and comfortable. The foldable design allows you to put it in your trunk easily and save space. Things to consider before buying for the best folding electric bike. Now, here we discuss some of the conditions that should be considered before deciding to buy a folding electric bike for you. Brakes. Folding e-bikes might roll small wheels, but with pedal assistance, you are capable of higher average speeds. Add the potentially risky pedestrianization and traffic encountered on an e-bike commute, and brakes become a real issue, especially in wet conditions. Wheel size. As with conventional folding bikes, wheel size is a trade-off between speed and comfort against compact size. Most range between 16-inch and 24-inch, however extremes such as 10-inch and 26-inch are possible. Weight. As a bike with the core purpose of portability, weight is a major factor to consider. With the benefit of those drive motors and batteries, the weight of your folding electric bike is not really an issue when riding, but it does become one when you have to fold and carry it. Gears. Given their typical city center riding environment, folding bicycles don't usually require a huge gear range, especially with the addition of a motor. Thanks for watching the video. Find the product link on description below. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell so you notify if we upload a new video on our channel.